Hi guys, it's me. Listen, I want to explain how I am doing the 500 subscriber drawing, okay? Because my video's been up for 2 days and I've got 2 responses. So, this is the way this works. I am going to make a series of 6 videos. Each one of those videos is going to have the regular title, but then it's going to say clue at the end. When you see a video that comes up that says clue, you want to go to the show more section where there will be a question. That question's answer can be found in the video. So watch the video, get the answer, go over to Facebook, look for my personal Facebook account, Elzbet Tallon. Send me a friend request. I'll accept. Then you send me the answer. If it's right, I'm going to say correct. If it's wrong, I'm going to say sorry. Now, you only get one answer per video per day. Okay? Well, no. One answer per video, period. All right? So you send your answer to me. I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. If you're right, you get a ticket. Ticket goes in the jar. It gets put in the drawing. Now, if you want more tickets in the drawing, let me preface this by saying, no purchase is required. That's right, you can get 6 free entries just by watching the videos. But if you want to, I don't know, up your odds a little bit, you can go over to my Etsy shop, bmascraftycorner at Etsy, and you can make a purchase. Any purchase of $10 or more gets you a ticket. So, if you make a $20 purchase, not counting shipping, you'll get 2 tickets. $30 purchase, 3 tickets. Get the idea? Okay. And just so you know, I have fully stocked the store. And my store is like everything else. It's a Scaventure. So, if you see an ad for lace, open it up and see what's inside. Because it may say lace, and you may see a picture and go, I don't want that lace. But if you open it up, there could be up to, I don't know, 9 other laces in there. Because I can put 10 pictures in each one. Get the idea? Pictures, 10. Lace, 10. All right. So, here's the only real rule. Okay? If you blurt out the answer to the question in the comment section, you are disqualified from the whole thing. Now, my YouTube sends me a notification every time somebody puts a comment on a video. So I will know exactly when that was put up, and any IMs that I receive after that time, they don't get a ticket either. So you'll have a bunch of crafty ladies really mad at you. So, no, don't do it. No, danger, Will Robinson, danger, don't do it. Just don't do it. Wouldn't be prudent. Okay, so, let's review. People put up a new video. Yay! Okay, gotta go watch. Okay. Oh, what's this? Clue. Okay, let me look at the bottom. Question, what's Bima's favorite color? Okay, I can do this. All right, watch the video. My favorite color is black. I have the answer. I know the answer to the question. The question is black. Okay, all right. Go to Facebook. Elzbet Tallon. Send a friend request. Oh, she likes me. Okay. Black. Send. Correct! I'm so sorry, you got it wrong. No, it's going to be correct! Okay, then I'm going to write your name on the ticket. I'm going to put the ticket in a jar. Now, all of these videos are going to be up before January the 4th. On January the 5th, I will do a live stream to draw a winner. Okay? So what are you going to win? Tell them what they won, Vanna. Okay, so here's what you're going to win. If you live in the continental United States, from Montana to Texas, from Maine to California, you will win a prize. That's right, a physical prize. I will send it to you. It's a big prize. It's heavy, okay? I mean, it's not a huge prize, but it's a big prize. Okay. If you live anywhere else, including Alaska and Hawaii, if you live in Canada, Mexico, the North Pole, the South Pole, the Fiji Islands, Europe, I don't care. You live in the Tobago area, I don't care. If you live outside of the continental United States, I will send you a gift certificate for Amazon.com. Okay? Because BMA's crazy, but I ain't paying international shipping. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much all there is to do, guys. So, good luck, Scaventurists. I know you will enjoy this. Just play with it. Have some fun. So, 6 videos, 6 questions, 6 chances to get your name in the drawing. Additional chances if you decide to purchase something over at my store. No purchase required. That's it. Listen, if you haven't done so already, there is a red button that says subscribe. Hit it. Then like my video. Ring my bell. And share me with all your friends, because I'm always giving away my stuff. I don't know why. I feel like I'm Crazy Eddie. Anyway, that's it, guys. Have fun. Enjoy. And I will see you all live January 5th to give away some more of my stuff. Until then, guys, bye-bye.